Hi, and welcome to Simplifying Expressions. So what we have is an expression, and it's this big, long spaghetti goop right here. Now, this is not an equation. If I did this, now it's an equation because it has an equal sign and all that stuff. But we ain't doing that. So I'm going to turn that off right there, and I'm going to color code this as well. So we have our variable terms. So the variable terms are the 4x and the minus 7x and the minus 2x. And then we have our constants. Those are items without the variables. That's the plus 5 and the plus 1 and the minus 4. So the blue are called constants. And this reddish color are the um, variable terms. Okay, so that's what we got. We have constants, variable terms. So we're going to combine our like terms. So that's to say everything in red gets put together and everything in blue gets put together. And we're simplifying because we're trying to write the same thing in as few terms as possible. By the way, the number of terms we have are this. We have one term, two terms, three terms, four terms, five terms, six terms. We have six terms. So we're going to try to write this in as few terms as possible. So, what I need to do is we have six terms. Sorry, so six terms. Now, we are going to combine like terms. So we have the 4x minus the 7x minus the 2x. So 4 minus 7. 4 minus 7 is negative 3. And negative 3 minus 2, that's negative 5. So altogether, we have negative 5x. So we're putting those together. Now, for the other one, we have 5 plus 1 is 6, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So we have 2. Now, since I said 2, that means it's going to be plus 2. And now, what we used to have as 6 terms, right here, I record 6 terms, we now only have 2 terms. The first term is negative 5x, and the other term is plus 2, or positive 2. So this is said to be the final simplified answer. See, isn't that a lot simpler than this? And so that's what you do. Simplifying expressions. Now, the next type of expression that we might be asked to simplify is something like this. We have 4 times the quantity x plus 3. That means we have 4 times everything inside the parentheses. 4 times x is 4x. And 4 times 3 is 12. And that's a positive 12. Now, what you might see is you might see something like this, where we have, how about this? Negative 3x minus 1 plus 7, something like that. And in this, we would distribute the negative 3 to each item inside the parentheses. Negative 3 times x is negative 3x. And this would be negative 3 times negative 1. That all counts as the same term right there. So negative 3 times negative 1, you should remember that a negative times a negative is a positive. 3 times 1 is 3, so that would be plus 3. Plus 3, and then I still have this plus 7. Now, I'm going to rewrite this. Negative 3x, and I have plus 3 plus 7. So we can see the 3 and 7, those are constants. They don't have variables there. We can add those together. 3 plus 7 is 10. And I have, that is a terrible 10. It's better. And then we have negative 3x, negative 3x. And this is our final simplified answer. And this one, that is a simplified answer as well. And so there you go. Simplifying expressions. I hope this has been helpful. Bye.